Okay?
Yeah.
Ready, sir, ready, sir.
Everyone is here, Devanshu?
Sir, everyone has come.
Everyone has come?
Everyone has
Okay.
come.
All right. Very good morning to all of you. I am right now at the Begumpet Airport in Hyderabad and we have officially inaugurated the Wings India 2026. This is the most important civil aviation summit that we do every 2 years, and this is one of the biggest in the Asia subcontinent also. And we are very proud to be hosting this kind of event from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. And we would also like to thank the government of Telangana for supporting and having us here. And this time the Wings India show, what we are confident to showcase is the strength of India in the field of civil aviation, especially in the manufacturing sector. You have all seen how the demand and the growth has been in the area of civil aviation. We have doubled the airports, we have doubled the passenger growth, we have doubled the aircraft fleet that we have over the last 10 years, thanks to the visionary Prime Minister Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji and the kind of reforms that he has brought in civil aviation, especially the UDAN scheme. But what we are trying to do right now and for the next decade that is going to come is to improve the manufacturing ecosystem in the country. We feel that the manufacturing ecosystem is to cater for the domestic demand that is going to grow in the next coming 10 to 20 years. But also this can be a place, India can become a place for global exporter also, for aviation, its components and its products. And that is what we are trying to showcase, and the summit is going to revolve around that majorly. And today we have also inaugurated the display of aircrafts. What you are seeing right now is the first 7879 series Boeing aircraft which has been specifically fitted for Air India. And this is the first delivery that has been done. And you all know that one of the major bottlenecks that we have in the aviation is the availability of aircrafts. We have lot of orders being given to let it be Boeing or Airbus, and the deliveries are just starting from this year. So I'm very confident but that in the coming year, with the coming of these aircrafts which are very specifically designed for Indian passengers, Indian consumers, that is going to give a lot of confidence to the aviation sector also. I've just checked the interiors also. They have been very specifically designed, very well done, and of global standards. That is the expectation the Indian passenger also has today. So everything is aligning. I feel that this year is going to be a great year. And not only what you're seeing here, we also have the Russian plane, which we are trying to get the manufacturing ecosystem in the country. We have other planes, Embraer also, where we have made the groundbreaking MOU yesterday, where they want to set up an assembly line in the country. They want to have their manufacturing ecosystem in the country. This is the new India that you're seeing, where India has become a global trusted partner in aviation also. Because aviation engineering requires a specific skill, a specific precision in engineering. So this is a great advancement that we are making. We have become a trusted and loyal partner in manufacturing. Already Airbus and Boeing are sourcing up to $2 billion components from the country. And a lot of these hubs are also growing in the country. We have one big hub in in Telangana. Then there is one in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Other states are also coming in. Gujarat is also coming strong in this ecosystem. So I feel that in the coming years, aviation is going to be a very strong vertical in the country. And whatever gets done here in the country, we are not only able to supply it for the local domestic demand, but also internationally. And one important thing that we'll be concentrating in the Wings India today is how to make these global partnerships that we have, let it be with organizations or with other countries, we want to strengthen. Because we see India is being seen globally as a country with a very stable, strong and decisive leadership under Narendra Modi ji. So we want to expand on this kind of relationship that we are having globally, especially Global South also, the kind of lead India is taking. How can we facilitate in this relation by having a strong relationship in the aviation sector? So that is going to be one concentration when we are going to discuss internationally, because we have delegations from more than 20 countries. And if you include the businesses all together, domestic and both international, there are going to be 3,000 participants. We have the aircraft display here, we have the exhibitions here, where not only aircraft components or aircraft related products, but avionics and the technology that is there in aviation is also going to be discussed and also going to be deliberated about. And another exciting thing is about the sustainability angle. We have been committed to the global sustainability mission, and especially within aviation, the CORSIA mission, and how SAF is going to be implemented in the country. So these are some futuristic things that India wants to take lead or be a very important partner globally. So these are some of the important things that we are going to discuss about.